Hi, Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And I have my helpers here today, McGregor and Quinn, and we're doing a vocabulary building activity called Big Cube. Now, I left my really big cube at the office and I can't get in there because of our pandemic situation, so I made a cube out of a ramen box and we're going to use this today. You could come up with a cube that you find around your house too. What I've done is I've printed out some math vocabulary words for elementary age kids, and I have placed one on each of the faces of the cube. And what we're going to do is I'm going to roll, and as soon as we see the word, everybody's got 30 seconds to draw a picture that represents that word to them. And then we're going to take the word off, we're going to hang it up, and we're going to put the pictures around it, and we're making our own math word wall. All right, you guys ready to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, who wants to roll?
Me.
Oh, we're just going to do this one. More than. We got the word more than. Are you ready? Get set, go. All right, good. Okay, so I'm gonna hang up the word more than. I'm hanging up my picture first. I've got 3 balloons is more than 1 balloon. And Quinn, what do you have?
I didn't put like balloons, I just put the thing.
That's fine.
1 M is more than 1.
1 M is more than 1? What does the M stand for?
Million.
Million! Oh my gosh. All right. And McGregor, what did you put?
2 stars is more than 0 stars.
More than 0 stars, and he has the greater than less than symbol to show that. And then I'm going to get a new vocabulary word, stick it on that face, and we'll play again, and we'll do a few rounds and get our nice word wall built. Hey, I hope you're having a great time building math positive mindsets with your kids. Have a great day.